Over 200 sea turtles have been rescued and released after being cold stunned during Texas's cold snap. These 200-plus sea turtles were among thousands of turtles that were cold stunned during Texas's brutal cold snap that started on February 14, 2021. Volunteers with Texas Sealife Center processed the turtles by measuring and weighing them, drawing and testing their blood, and recording all of their data. Many of the rescued turtles were transferred to the Texas State Aquarium's rescue team to be rehabilitated. The turtles that remained at the Texas Sealife Center had to pass a veterinary health clearance and a swim test before being released into the Gulf of Mexico on February 23rd and 24th. Texas Sealife Center volunteer Jamie McWilliams told NowThis that although many turtles are being released, there are still 75 juvenile green sea turtles that need further care. You can help Texas Sealife Center by donating at texassealifecenter.org.